Welcome back, students. We are going to finish the review for Units 1 and 2. We are on page 29. So please go to page 29 in your student book and let's get started. Exercise number 7. Complete the sentences. All right, I will read you the sentence and you try to figure out the words that need to go in the blanks. All right, so before artists begin to paint, they often do a blank to plan their work. All right, so look in your book and try to find it. Before artists begin to paint, they often do a sketch to plan their work. Number 2, artists used to paint blank of kings and queens before there was photography. So what is a painting of a person? A painting of a person is called a portrait. Artists used to paint portraits with an S, portraits of kings and queens before there was photography. Number 3, the French Impressionists liked to work outside and they painted many beautiful blank. So when you're looking at scenery or you're looking at something outside, what is that called? That is called a landscape, and it needs to be plural. So the French Impressionists liked to work outside and they painted many beautiful landscapes. Number 4, the whole class painted one part of the work and we put it together in one big blank. So what do you call it when you have a bunch of tiny parts put together? It is called a mosaic. The whole class painted one part of the work and we put it together in one big mosaic. All right, very good. That is exercise 7. Practice reading these out loud on your own. And right now, let's go to exercise 8. Exercise 8 says write sentences using the prompts. So prompts are words that they give you to use. So it looks like all of these are missing verbs. So we'll need to do that. So number 1, let's say and repeat the words together. Art, so, interesting, that, people, want, see, exhibition. All right, so let's try to write a sentence for this one. So we will say the art is so interesting that people want to see the exhibition. All right, so remember the first letter in your sentence is always capitalized, the big letter, and always finish with a period for sentences, a question mark for questions. Oh, sorry about that. I misspelled art. Let's fix that. The art is so interesting that people want to see the exhibition. All right, so practice reading that on your own. Number 2, painting so unusual that nobody understand. All right, so let's try this one. The painting is so unusual that nobody understands it. All right, so it is the painting. The painting is so unusual that nobody understands it. All right, practice that on your own time. Number 3, mosaics so colorful that everybody come admire. All right, so let's try to make a sentence for this one. So we'll say the mosaics. All right, mosaics is plural, so we need to use are. The mosaics are so colorful that everybody comes to admire them. All right, the mosaics are so colorful that everybody comes to admire them. So we use them because mosaics is plural. We use it when you're talking about one thing. So practice reading these on your own. And right now we will go to exercise 9. This is the last exercise. Read the word pairs and write antonym A or synonym S. So when you see pairs, P-A-I-R-S, that means there are 2. And antonym means opposite, and synonym means similar. So synonym, similar. Antonym is opposite. So let's mark an A or an S. All right, so number 1, ask and question. Question is a thing, but question is also a verb. So in Spanish you have preguntar, but in English you can say ask or you can say question. So those are similar, so they are synonyms. Synonym. Number 2, winner, loser. All right, these are opposites, so they are antonyms. Evil, good. Are these the same? Are they similar or are they opposites? They are opposites, so they are antonyms. That's not very clear. Let's redo that. Antonyms. Number 4, neat and tidy. Neat and tidy. All right, if you don't know what these words are, you should look them up in a dictionary, but they are synonyms. So neat means to be clean, free of clutter. Everything is neat and nicely put away, and tidy means the same thing. Everything is in its place. There is no disorder. So they are both talking about being clean and organized. Number 5, close and open. These are antonyms. You can close a door and you can open a door. Those are opposites. The store is open, which means you can go in, or the store is closed, which means you cannot go in. Opposites, antonyms. Number 6, weakness and strength. These are antonyms. Very good. Weakness and strength are antonyms. Strength is being very strong, muy fuerte, and weakness is débil. Number 7, close and near. Close and near are synonyms. They both mean that something is close, it is also near, muy cerca. And this is what makes English hard, because this one right here, close the door, is spelled the exact same, but this is pronounced close. It's a little faster, a little harder. This is close, a little more lento, and this is close, muy cerca. Let's go to number 8, ancient and young. These are antonyms. Very good. Ancient is very, 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 very old. Ancient. And young is young. Joven. Number 9, fast and rapid. All right. Fast and rapid are synonyms. Fast and rapid are both similar. Number 10, powerful and strong. All right, strong is fuerte, powerful is poderoso. So these are synonyms. They are similar. If you are strong, you are powerful. If you are powerful, you are strong. All right, so that's something to think about. Thank you for following along. That is everything. Felicidades. We are finished with the review for Unit 1 and 2. Thank you for your hard work. And please remember to practice reading and listening to these examples in the future. Adios.